What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're here to cover more of the Lenovo Legion Go by installing a TPU Shell Case by JOYSOG. Now, this case is also available in black and adds overall protection, improved performance in regards to grip, and a bit of customization. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here I have the white version installed. Before we talk about that though, this is going to be the packaging. I removed everything just to simplify the video here, but you can see very simple packaging for Legion Go case, comprehensive protection, protective shell. There's a window so you could see the contents inside, although you really can't because they're covered by a protective plastic film, but very simple packaging here. So I have the white version installed once again, and I originally was a fan of the black version more, but now that I've tried the white, just because it contrasts a lot better than that black for the video, I'm actually falling in love with it. I will be honest, this does give me PlayStation vibes. It has that white PlayStation color, which contrasts with the black. So yes, definitely gives me PlayStation vibes. And again, we do have a black option if you want a completely blacked out unit. Now this is TPU and it is flexible, so it should provide a little bit of shock protection as well as protect from scrapes and scratches. So let's start by talking about coverage, which is going to be overall really good. We're going to have top coverage. We're going to have coverage on the sides, coverage on the bottom, and a lot of coverage on the back. Now, of course, we won't have coverage here on the kickstand because you still want that kickstand to be functional. So we do have kickstand functionality still, that's a plus, but lots of cutouts as well, so clear access to all the buttons. You are going to notice we don't have much coverage on the faces of the controllers themselves. That's something I would have possibly liked to have seen. And about all of this, I think it's important to point out that if you are someone who's going to disconnect the controllers often on your Lenovo Legion Go, with this case installed, you obviously can't do that because this is one whole piece. There isn't a separate cover for the controllers themselves. Just something to point out there. For me, it's not a huge deal because I haven't really been disconnecting them all that much. I really use the handheld as a complete assembly. So that being said, I haven't really used this FPS mode. I am going to give it a try eventually, I think. But for me, again, I use this as a complete assembly. The Lenovo Legion Go works just well for me in this format. I really don't like taking things apart often. When I want to game, I just want to jump into it and game. So again, we have really nice cutouts here for buttons, but also for ports. So we're going to have clear access to the ports. Now, because this is a cover that covers the Legion Go, it is going to make some of these ports recessed. So if you have like a special cable, maybe like it's a fatter cable, a fatter USB-C cable, it might not work with this case cover. So that's something to consider. But overall, these cutouts are large. Again, very large cutouts for buttons, so we shouldn't have any interference here. And I've actually been playing with the black one installed for some time. Haven't had any issues there either. We also have really good cutouts for the vents, for the air intake. I was most concerned about this one here because there is an air intake here, and this needs to be manufactured precisely so that we don't clog or block that intake so that air can get in there. But this has been working good so far. And again, precision, that's huge here. You can see that we have a nice cutout there for the Lenovo logo. That's really good to see too. It could have been covered up. They could have easily covered it up, but they left that exposed. I think little things like that are a huge plus. And again, with this case, we're going to have access to the kickstand. That's huge. The kickstand on the Legion Go has also been very good for me. I like to point that out. It's very stable. It doesn't flop around. It holds really well. but you can see the kickstand is going to function there. We can use it in all the different angles with this case installed. And also we have grip. So this case does provide a boost in grip performance, which I really like. We've got these nice ridges here. We've got some texture here. So overall, when holding this, it does feel a lot more secure. The performance aspect feels better. If your hands get a little bit sweaty when playing, you are going to have more grip in that regards. And also when it comes to cleanliness, you know, you can just pop this off. You can wash it off in the sink with some soap and water and then pop it back on. But again, this is the white option. I wanted to demonstrate this because of the contrast, but some of you may be interested in the black option. And I think it's only proper that we do a removal of the white. So this is just going to peel off. Nice and easy, just work your way around. And that just slides off on one side. And then we can do the other side here. Takes a little bit of work. The fit is nice and snug, I will say. And I will also say that the Legion Go looks pretty naked without that case. So we are going to install the black version. This is really nice if you want a completely blacked out kit. I like to install the top portion first. That way I don't fight those top triggers and shoulder buttons. And then just press into place. So this fits nice and snug. Looks really good. This is a very stealthy. So if you want the blacked out kind of thing, kind of theme there, this is a way to go. And you can see uninstalling and installing is very simple. Once again, I am going to put that white one on. I think I'm actually digging the white one for now. It is really, really nice. I like the contrast. And again, gotta be honest, it does give me PlayStation vibes. I love that PlayStation look. And this slides in so nice. It's just so easy to work with. And just to wrap things up, buttons. You know, we don't have a whole lot of buttons covered here. It's mainly just the volume buttons. But those are going to work really well. Again, the cutout for other buttons too. We've got the power button. That's going to work really well. And just to do a quick demonstration, I'll boot this up so that you can get a look at the RGB with the case cover installed. This is looking really nice. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this product. It's a good value. It works really well. It improves the aesthetics, whether you want to go the blacked out way, or I'll call this the PlayStation-esque way, and provides protection too. So overall, a solid kit. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.